How to create a post on Bluesky. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step process on how you can create a post on the Bluesky app. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's begin. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Bluesky application, and once you open it up, in order to create a new post, you will find this plus icon or the pencil icon at the bottom right of your screen. You just have to tap on it to create a post. Now here you can actually type in any kind of text you want, and once you type in your text, you can even add photos by tapping on this gallery icon. You can add videos by tapping on this reel icon. You can click a picture via this camera, even add GIFs right here. You can search for any GIFs that you want to add. And if you tap on this plus icon, you can create another post. So as you can see, the maximum limit is 300 characters that you can post at a time. You can also change the interaction settings. If you tap on this right here, anybody can interact. You can change it so if you want nobody to reply to your story, just choose nobody and tap on save. And if it's on everybody, you can use these combined options like mentioned users, follow users, and other settings as well. You can also enable your codes post enabled settings, and after all of this is done, tap on save and you can tap on post all. Once you do that, you have successfully created a new post on Bluesky. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.